Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best replacement hinge is probably one of the most overlooked components of your big green egg, until it fails. A properly functioning hinge is essential for a smooth grilling experience, allowing you to easily open and close the lid without any hassle. In this video, we'll dive into why a replacement hinge might be necessary and what to look for when choosing the right one for your grill. Number 5. Green Egg Smoker Gasket Replacement. This smoker gasket is designed specifically for large and extra-large big green egg grills. It provides a perfect fit for both the base and the top lid. You won't have to worry about it not fitting. The gasket comes in the perfect width for your KAMaster grill, so there's no need for extra cutting. This eliminates the risk of making mistakes during installation. It's designed for ease of use. This gasket features a self-stick adhesive that adheres securely to the grill's surface. You won't need any messy spray adhesives. It's a simple peel and stick application. Made from high-temperature materials, this gasket won't burn or melt. It's a superior replacement for the original wool gaskets. It's built to last. This gasket creates a tight seal, keeping more smoke inside your grill. This gives you better temperature control. You'll also save on charcoal. What we like. This gasket is designed for a perfect fit, ensuring no cutting is needed. It's also super easy to apply with its self-stick adhesive. If you're tired of struggling with temperature control and smoke leaks, this is the perfect solution. It will keep the smoke in your grill and give you better temp control. What people say. Works as described. I replaced my original big green egg gasket with this about 9 months ago and still makes an airtight seal. Easy to apply and good quality. I am now able to control the temp and airflow with precision, making a cook almost carefree. If you've properly removed the old gasket and cleaned and prepped the grill, this will stick with no issues at all. Went on easy. Number 4. Big Green Egg Large 5-Piece Replacement Kit. This 5-piece kit is designed specifically for your big green egg. It's the ultimate tool to maximize the versatility of your grill, allowing you to cook more food at once. The kit includes a multi-level rack and a CONVG basket. This setup allows for both direct and indirect cooking, giving you complete control over your grilling experience. With a raised and sliding grid, accessing your food is a breeze. The system offers over 40 different cooking combinations, making it easy to find the perfect setup. This kit is a great addition to your big green egg. It helps you take advantage of both vertical and horizontal space, perfect for any grilling needs. Unleash your culinary creativity with this kit. It does everything you want, allowing you to explore endless possibilities on your big green egg. What we like. This kit is a game changer, offering multi-level cooking and expanding your grilling space. It allows for over 40 different cooking combinations, maximizing the versatility of your grill. If you're looking to cook for a crowd or experiment with different cooking styles, this kit is a must-have. It will unleash your culinary creativity. What people say. It fits perfectly on a large green egg. Compared to the real deal, this is as identical as it can get. Super heavy stainless. Everything fits perfect in the large. My heat diffuser fits exactly like it does in a BGE version. I have the same item from Big Green Egg and could not tell the difference between them. The thickness of the stainless steel is the same and the fit finish is as good. Number 3. Big Green Egg Ash Drawer Easy Clean Tool. Tired of the messy ash cleanup? This innovative ash drawer is designed specifically for large big green egg grills. It makes cleaning easier and quicker than ever before. This new product is a game changer. You no longer need to struggle with an ash rake. It simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to withstand high temperatures. This ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The ash drawer comes with all the necessary pieces and instructions. Installation is straightforward, making it a perfect replacement part. The removable handle allows for easy insertion and removal. When not in use, simply remove the handle and close the draft door. This ash drawer is designed for the large big green egg models made before 2022. Please make sure it fits your grill before purchasing. What we like. This ash drawer makes cleaning your grill easier and quicker than ever before. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last. If you value convenience and want to spend less time cleaning and more time grilling, you should consider this. It will make your grilling experience more enjoyable. What people say. Big green egg replacement hinge is a perfect fit. The hinge is well made and functions as it should. The design is a great improvement over the original. Number 2. Hinge Assembly Kit for Large Green Egg. This hinge assembly kit is designed specifically for the large green egg. The radian of the hinge matches the grill perfectly. It is only suitable for the old one-piece hinge, not for the new split hinge. The powerful spring and smooth push-pull rod make opening and closing the egg dome easy. The design ensures the spring stays securely in place, eliminating any potential hazards. Made from heavy-duty material with an anti-rust coating, this kit is built for durability. The 3/16-inch thickness ensures a long service life, providing reliable performance for years to come. The package includes one hinge, 2 strong springs, a rope, and 2 screw bags. You may not need the screw bags if you don't need to replace the original bolts. If any items are missing, please contact us. When installing or removing the hinge, start by removing the strong spring. It's best to have someone assist you while handling the egg during the process. What we like. This hinge assembly kit is made to fit your large green egg perfectly. The heavy-duty material and strong springs ensure smooth operation. If you're experiencing issues with your current hinge or want to upgrade for easier use, it is a great choice. It will make opening and closing your grill a breeze. What people say. Brought life and correct positioning to my 15-year-old egg. Fit as well as original springs on a green egg. Underbite problem solved. Part is well made and saves a bunch versus the BGE branded kit. Number 1. KAMaster Barbecue Replacement Kit for Big Green Egg. Introducing the KAMaster Expander Rack System, a fantastic addition to your big green egg. This system helps you make the most of your grill space, both vertically and horizontally. It's a must-have for any serious griller. This kit includes a 2-piece multi-level rack, a 1-piece basket, and 2 stainless steel half-grids. With this, you can cook more food at once. It's an awesome way to expand your grilling capabilities. The Expander Rack Kit is designed for both direct and indirect cooking. It features a raised, sliding grid for easy access to your food. The lower rack is perfect for direct cooking, and the basket adds even more versatility. This aftermarket system offers over 40 different cooking combinations. It allows you to fully utilize the versatility of your KAMaster grill. You'll be amazed at the possibilities. Great grilling deserves great accessories. Unleash your culinary creativity with this ultimate expansion system. It does everything you need to take your grilling to the next level. What we like. This Expander Rack System is the ultimate tool for unleashing the true power of your grill. It takes advantage of both vertical and horizontal space. If you like to cook for a crowd or experiment with different cooking styles, you should consider this. It will unleash your culinary creativity. What people say. Fit my large, big green egg perfectly. Same pieces, same gauge stainless steel, and fit and finish is very close to original. Ordered this for my large BGE. Received in just a couple of days and it fits perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.